Hey y'all, Bree the Brat here. I have a Dentist Barbie. Isn't she cute? She's got a little mask, a little badge, and her dentist chair. I don't have her original Kelly, so I brought another Kelly, the potty training Kelly, to check her teeth. So we're going to take a look at Barbie today, and I'll show you how she talks and what she says and sounds like, because it's a mix of sounds and words. So first of all, here is her little dentist chair that fits Kelly. You could also get a Barbie in there. And it goes over. It came with, the Kelly came with a little bear, a little like water pick thing. Whoops. And a little toothbrush. I'm going to drop everything here. A little toothbrush that Barbie can hold, or Kelly can hold. And I have a replacement spit cup, because you got to do the spit cup. This is from 94, I think. So here, let's listen to what she says. Oh. Toothbrushing sound, if that bugs you. Well, there you go. Some water pick sound.
Great checkup. Let's brush. Great checkup. Let's brush.
And then brushing again. There you go. That's Dentist Barbie. Thanks for watching. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.